I'm Lisa Himmelman, the Assistant Field Placement Coordinator in the Department of Psychological Counseling at Monmouth University. This is the second installment of our field placement video series. And for those of you who didn't tune into the first video, please do so as it contains important information about the field placement process. This video is specifically regarding midterm and final evaluations for practicum and internship students. As many of you already know, those evaluations are done through the chalk and wire assessment system online. These evaluations are critical. They're a major component of field placement, and they inform our students' university supervisors, their field placement course professors, of how the students are doing during their practicum and internships and the progress that they're making throughout the semester. Midterm evaluations are normally sent around week 6 or 7 of the semester, and final evaluations are sent around week 12 or 13. We try to allot a 2-week time frame to give supervisors ample time to reply, but we do ask that you stick to the deadline that's indicated. You'll receive an email shortly before the evaluations are going to be sent with detailed information, including a chalk and wire user guide and the due date for the midterm or final evaluation. An email from Chalk and Wire with a link to that evaluation will come shortly thereafter. And those of you who have multiple supervisees will receive an email for each supervisee that you have. If for some reason you see that the email from Chalk and Wire didn't come through on the date that it said it was supposed to, please check your spam and junk folder, because sometimes emails from Chalk and Wire go there. If you can't find it in there, make sure to contact me. We really do encourage you to sit down with your student when completing the evaluation, so there are no surprises to the student or to the professor when the evaluation is received. Please be thorough with your responses and take the time to go through each criterion carefully. And then in terms of that, please make sure when you're scoring each criterion to be thoughtful in those responses. We really encourage you to leave comments next to criteria, or you could also leave comments in the overall comments box, which is available. And especially if you mark something with a particularly low score, this could help us understand what's going on with the student. This is imperative in helping our students improve their performance, as the professors will know when there is an issue and they can work with both you, the supervisor, and the student to resolve it. Just a couple of notes regarding evaluations in Chalk and Wire. This system uses something called responsive design. So basically the evaluation will open to whatever size screen you're using, whether it's a computer, a tablet, a phone, and there are 5 performance levels with a 6th performance level for not applicable, and that's what you should see on your screen. If you don't, you may need to use the left-right scroll bar at the bottom of the screen to see all of the levels available for scoring. Once you've scored all of the criteria, click Save in the bottom right corner, which will also submit the evaluation to us. At that point, you'll know that the evaluation has been received because a green box will pop up in the top right-hand corner indicating an overall score for the assessment. If you have any questions or any issues with Chalk and Wire, with completing the evaluation, anything else comes up, please make sure to reach out to me. My email address is lhimmelma@monmouth.edu. I can also be reached via phone, 732-923-4572. You'll be getting emails from me, so you'll have all my information in the email in case anything comes up. So thank you very much for tuning into this video, and have a great day.